Hi everyone, so welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of e-commerce and the online advertising as we discuss Google AdWords for the Shopify store. If you are running a Shopify store or considering starting one, you are in the right place. We will be covering everything from why Shopify is an excellent choice for e-commerce to the best practices for the ads your store on Google. So let's jump right in. The first thing is, why should you use Shopify for your e-commerce store? First thing first, should you use Shopify for your e-commerce store? And then the answer is absolutely yes. Shopify is a user-friendly and all-in-one platform that allows you to set up and manage your online store with ease. From customizable themes to a secure checkout process, Shopify provides the tools you need to create a professional and trustworthy online presence. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with the Google AdWords, making it an ideal choice for those looking to leverage the power of the online ads. The next thing is why Shopify stores are best for Google Ads. So now let's talk about why the Shopify stores are best suited for Google Ads. One word: integration. Shopify integrates seamlessly with the Google AdWords, allowing you to sync your product listing, track conversions, and manage your campaigns all in one place. This integration streamlines the process, saving you time and ensuring your ads are optimized for the maximum impact. Additionally, Shopify provides valuable insights into your store's performance, helping you make the data-driven decisions to improve your advertising strategy. This is based on various of our client details we have managed so far. We have managed 100 plus Shopify stores and run Google AdWords for them. All of them preferred Shopify because of its ease of use, interface, and analytical details. Sharing a few of our clients' case study. The first will be, we have generated $150,000 in terms of sale with the ROAS of 5 for a Shopify store selling lighting products online. And the second will be that we have seen an 2.7% increase in clicks and a 351% increase in impression share from the Shopify. We will link the case studies in the I button and then in the description below. There is also one more store. We have the ROAS of around 3.4 for a Shopify store selling high ticket size product, that is for the PPC for the e-commerce store. So do you know how many users are using Shopify? So as of October 2023, over 4.36 million active e-commerce websites are using the Shopify platform. This number is constantly growing as Shopify has experienced significant year-on-year growth. It excels by offering seamless integration possibilities with the diverse marketing tools, incorporation with the Google Shopping ads, compatibility with the Google Analytics, connectivity with various platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, and more. If you aim to boost sales for your Shopify store, we can assist you in implementing the effective strategies and guide you in scaling your campaigns. So if you have any PPC ads running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a WhatsApp number on the top right corner. You can contact us with your PPC account and then we will be able to get back to you with the audit, and then in the audit we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you do not have any PPC ads running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us with your website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We will be able to get back to you with the proposal on what you can do to bring your business to the next level. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.